What if I told you that there are 9 specific ways to treat a woman that make her feel like royalty, but most men either go completely overboard or miss the mark entirely? What if the difference between being seen as try-hard versus genuinely thoughtful comes down to understanding the psychology behind what makes a woman feel truly valued and cherished? The reality is that most men completely misunderstand what treating her like a princess actually means. They think it's about expensive gifts, constant compliments, or putting her on an impossible pedestal. They either become doormats who cater to her every whim, or they go to the opposite extreme and treat every gesture like a business transaction. Both approaches completely miss what women actually crave. Most men completely miss this because they're operating from what they think women want, rather than understanding the deeper psychological needs behind feminine appreciation. They focus on grand gestures while ignoring the subtle acts of consideration that actually make her feel special. They try to impress her with their wallet instead of their emotional intelligence. The aware man understands that treating a woman like a princess isn't about spoiling her or putting her above yourself. It's about recognizing and honoring her feminine energy in ways that make her feel safe, valued, and cherished without losing your masculine frame. It's about thoughtful leadership that shows you understand and appreciate who she is as a woman. Today, I'm going to reveal 9 princess treatments that research in relationship psychology shows women genuinely appreciate, even if they'd never admit it directly. These aren't about becoming a servant or losing your masculine edge. These are authentic expressions of masculine care that honor feminine psychology and create deep emotional connection. The difference between understanding and missing these treatments is the difference between being the man she brags about to her friends and being forgotten within a week. It's the difference between creating genuine appreciation and coming across as either desperate or indifferent. Treatment number 1: protective leadership without control. Most men think treating a woman like a princess means making all her decisions for her or constantly telling her what to do. But real protective leadership is about creating an environment where she feels safe to be her authentic feminine self without trying to control her choices or behavior. According to evolutionary psychology research, women are naturally drawn to men who can provide a sense of safety and protection. But modern protection isn't about physical threats. It's about emotional security, social confidence, and the ability to handle whatever situations arise. This shows up in how you naturally take the lead in planning dates without being controlling about her preferences. How you position yourself between her and potential problems without making a big show of it. How you handle difficult situations calmly so she doesn't have to stress about them. How you create space for her to relax into her feminine energy because she trusts your ability to handle the masculine responsibilities. The psychological principle here is called benevolent leadership. She feels your strength and capability protecting her interests, but she also feels completely free to be herself within that protection. This allows her to access her softer, more feminine qualities because she's not in survival mode or feeling like she has to handle everything herself. This isn't about treating her like she's incapable. It's about recognizing that when masculine energy handles the structure and logistics, feminine energy is free to flow naturally. She appreciates this because it allows her to relax in ways that modern life often doesn't permit. Treatment number 2: remembering and acting on small details. Women are incredibly detail-oriented, and they notice when you pay attention to the little things that matter to them. But most men either ignore these details entirely, or they remember them in ways that feel calculated rather than caring. The princess treatment here is genuinely remembering small things she mentions, and then acting on them in thoughtful ways. If she mentions loving a particular type of flower, you surprise her with those specific flowers weeks later. If she talks about a book she wants to read, you notice it when you're out and pick it up for her. If she mentions a stressful day, you remember to ask how it went. According to cognitive psychology research, this kind of attention activates what's called the felt sense of being known. When someone remembers and acts on details about our lives, it creates a profound feeling of being seen and valued as an individual, rather than just as a generic romantic interest. The key is that these actions come from genuine care rather than trying to score points. You're not keeping a mental ledger of gestures you can use to manipulate her feelings. You're genuinely interested in her world and naturally respond to what you learn about who she is. This treatment makes her feel like a princess because it shows that she matters enough to you that you naturally pay attention to her life and care about her experiences. It's not about the money you spend or the effort you exert. It's about the mental and emotional space you give to truly knowing her. Treatment number 3. Elegant small gestures over grand displays. Most men think princess treatment means expensive restaurants, elaborate surprises, or dramatic romantic gestures. But women often appreciate small, elegant gestures that show ongoing thoughtfulness more than occasional grand displays that feel performative. This might mean bringing her coffee made exactly how she likes it when she's having a stressful morning. It might mean offering your jacket when she's cold before she even mentions it. It might mean sending a single, thoughtful text during her busy day rather than bombarding her with constant messages. According to relationship psychology research by Dr. John Gottman, small positive interactions have more impact on relationship satisfaction than major romantic events. These micro gestures create a consistent feeling of being cared for, rather than the temporary high of a big surprise followed by normal indifference. The psychological principle here is consistency over intensity. When you consistently show small acts of consideration, it creates a baseline feeling of being valued that becomes part of her daily experience with you. This feels more genuine and sustainable than sporadic grand gestures that feel like they're trying to compensate for lack of day-to-day attention. Women appreciate this because it shows that caring for her is natural to you, rather than something you have to force yourself to remember for special occasions. It demonstrates that she's integrated into your daily awareness, rather than being an afterthought you occasionally focus on. Treatment number 4. Creating beautiful experiences together. Women are naturally drawn to beauty, aesthetics, and experiences that engage their senses. Princess treatment involves recognizing this and creating opportunities for her to experience beauty in various forms, whether that's through environments, activities, or shared moments. This doesn't necessarily mean expensive venues. It might mean choosing a restaurant with beautiful ambience over one that's just convenient. It might mean planning a walk somewhere scenic rather than just functional. It might mean paying attention to creating moments that feel special and memorable rather than just efficient. According to aesthetic psychology research, women typically have higher sensitivity to environmental beauty and derive more emotional benefit from aesthetically pleasing experiences. This isn't shallow or materialistic. It's a genuine psychological difference in how feminine energy processes and responds to the world. The aware man understands that creating beautiful experiences isn't about showing off or spending money. It's about honoring her natural appreciation for beauty and creating shared moments that feed her aesthetic and emotional needs. This shows that you understand and value this aspect of her feminine psychology. This treatment makes her feel like a princess because it shows that you care enough about her experience to put thought into creating moments that she'll genuinely enjoy and remember. It's about quality of experience rather than quantity of expense. Treatment number 5. Genuine compliments on character over appearance. Most men think princess treatment means constantly telling a woman how beautiful she is. But while physical compliments have their place, women are often more deeply moved by genuine appreciation of their character, intelligence, and unique qualities. This means noticing and verbally appreciating her kindness, her insight, her humor, her strength, her creativity, or her unique perspective on life. It means recognizing the qualities that make her who she is beyond just how she looks. According to psychology research on self-esteem and relationships, compliments on character and capabilities create deeper emotional impact than physical compliments because they acknowledge her as a complete person rather than just an aesthetic object. The key is authenticity. These compliments need to be genuine observations about who she actually is, not generic flattery that you could say to anyone. When you specifically notice and appreciate something unique about her personality or capabilities, it shows that you're truly seeing her as an individual. This treatment makes her feel like a princess because it honors her inner world and recognizes her value as a person. It shows that your appreciation for her goes beyond surface level and that you see and value the qualities that make her special. Treatment number 6, respectful social presentation. How you present her and treat her in social situations is a form of princess treatment that many women deeply appreciate but rarely discuss directly. This involves introducing her proudly, including her in conversations, and making sure she feels valued and respected when you're around other people. This might mean introducing her in ways that highlight her accomplishments or qualities rather than just her relationship to you. It might mean making sure she's included in group conversations, rather than leaving her to fend for herself socially. It might mean showing affection and attention to her, even when other people are around. According to social psychology research, how partners treat each other in public settings significantly impacts relationship satisfaction and individual self-esteem. When a woman feels respected and valued in social situations, it reinforces her sense of worth in the relationship overall. The psychological principle here is public validation of private value. When you treat her well consistently across all social contexts, it shows that your care for her isn't dependent on who's watching or what you might gain from the situation. This treatment makes her feel like a princess because it shows that you're proud to be with her and that your positive treatment of her isn't just private behavior. It demonstrates that she holds genuine value in your life, rather than being someone you hide or take for granted. Treatment number 7, emotional availability and presence. One of the most profound princess treatments is simply being emotionally present and available when she needs to share something important with you. This means putting down your phone, making eye contact, and giving her your complete attention when she wants to talk. Most men underestimate how powerful this simple act is for women. In our distracted world, genuine presence and attention have become rare and incredibly valuable. When you consistently offer her your complete focus during important moments, it creates a deep feeling of being valued and prioritized. According to attachment theory research, emotional availability from partners is one of the strongest predictors of relationship satisfaction and security. When someone feels heard and seen by their partner, it creates a foundation of emotional safety that enhances every other aspect of the relationship. This treatment isn't about agreeing with everything she says or trying to solve all her problems. It's about being a consistent, grounded presence that she can rely on when she needs to process emotions or share experiences that matter to her. This makes her feel like a princess because it shows that her thoughts, feelings, and experiences matter enough to you that you'll consistently prioritize giving her your attention and emotional energy when she needs it. Treatment number 8, supporting her goals and dreams. Real princess treatment involves genuinely supporting her personal goals, dreams, and growth, rather than trying to make her life revolve entirely around you and the relationship. This shows that you value her as a complete individual with her own path and aspirations. This might mean encouraging her when she's working towards something important, celebrating her successes genuinely, or making space for her to pursue interests that don't directly involve you. It means being secure enough in yourself that you can support her individual growth rather than feeling threatened by her independence. According to self-determination theory research, relationships that support individual autonomy and growth are significantly more satisfying and sustainable than those that create dependence or limit personal development. The psychological principle here is interdependent support rather than codependent control. You're strong enough in your own identity that you can genuinely celebrate and encourage her individual journey while also building something meaningful together. This treatment makes her feel like a princess because it shows that you see her as a complete person with valuable goals and dreams rather than just someone whose purpose is to enhance your life. It demonstrates respect for who she is and who she's becoming. Treatment number 9, consistent reliability and follow-through. The final princess treatment is being consistently reliable and following through on what you say you'll do. This might sound basic, but in a world where many people overpromise and underdeliver, genuine reliability has become a form of luxury treatment. This means showing up when you say you will, doing what you promise to do, and being someone she can count on consistently. It means your word has weight and meaning because your actions consistently align with your commitments. According to trust research in relationship psychology, reliability and consistency are fundamental building blocks of emotional security. When someone knows they can depend on their partner's word, it creates a foundation of safety that allows deeper intimacy and connection to develop. This treatment makes her feel like a princess because it shows that she's important enough to you that you prioritize keeping your commitments to her. It demonstrates that her time, feelings, and trust matter to you enough that you'll consistently honor your word. Understanding these 9 princess treatments transforms how women respond to you because they address the deep psychological needs that create genuine appreciation rather than surface-level impressions. These aren't about spending money or losing your masculine edge. They're about understanding feminine psychology and expressing authentic care in ways that truly resonate. The most important thing to remember is that these treatments work best when they come from genuine appreciation for her, rather than trying to manipulate specific responses. When you authentically value and care for a woman, these behaviors flow naturally, rather than feeling forced or calculated. The woman who's right for you will recognize and appreciate these treatments because they demonstrate emotional intelligence, genuine care, and understanding of what makes her feel truly valued as both a woman and an individual.